Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla has said there is no evidence that his company's COVID-19 vaccine, Covishield, requires a third dose. We haven't recommended it officially yet. The government will have to take that call, he added in an interview. However, he further said it's unethical to start giving 3 doses when others in certain countries have not even gotten 2 doses yet. COVID-19 pandemic had a psychosocial impact on healthcare workers, a study by the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR has revealed. The increase in the work volume, manifestations of stigma, and adjusting to the new normality contributed to the psychosocial impact, the study added. The study found stress, anxiety, depression, and sleep-related issues among healthcare workers. The Indian drone industry will have a turnover of up to rupees 15,000 crore by 2026, Civil Aviation Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia said, citing government's rupees 120 crore PLI scheme for the industry. He added that with the drone policy and rules and drone PLI scheme, government aims for drone manufacturing firms to reach a turnover of rupees 900 crore in the coming 3 years. The missiles fired by North Korea on Wednesday were a test of a new railway-borne missile system designed as a potential counter-strike to any forces that threaten the country, state media reported. The missile struck a target 800 kilometers away, it added. South Korean and Japanese authorities said they had detected the launch of 2 ballistic missiles from North Korea. India's first solar mission, Aditya L1, is likely to be launched in the third quarter of 2022, which was earlier pushed from early 2020 due to COVID-19. Indian Space Research Organization officials said. India's second space observatory, XPOSat, will also be launched then, they added. The spacecraft in the mission will be sent 1.5 million kilometers away to L1 Lagrangian. British inventor and entrepreneur Sir Clive Sinclair died at the age of 81 after battling cancer for more than a decade. Sinclair invented the pocket calculator in 1973 and popularized the home computer. He launched his first affordable consumer computer in 1980, which cost less than £100. Sinclair was still working on his inventions last week, his daughter said. Pratik Mohite, a 25-year-old bodybuilder from Maharashtra's Raigarh, has been recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's shortest competitive bodybuilder. Pratik, who measures 3 foot 4 inches in height, had started bodybuilding in 2012. He has competed in more than 40 events. His dream is to one day win a Mr. World Championship, Guinness World Records said.